In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font or text color for email in Outlook. We'll walk through both the new Outlook for Windows and the web app, and then the classic Outlook desktop app. So you can set your emails to look exactly the way you want every time you compose, reply, or forward. Let's start with the new Outlook and the Outlook web app. Open Outlook and look to the top right corner for the settings gear icon. Click that, then choose Mail, and under Mail select Compose and Reply. Scroll down until you see the Message Format section. This is where you pick your default font type, size, and color. Choose a readable font, a size that's comfortable for your audience, and a color that maintains good contrast. When you are happy with your selection, click Save so your changes stick. A quick note here. The new Outlook currently offers fewer font color options than the classic desktop version. If you need a broader palette or more control, consider using the classic app for now. Now, let's cover the classic Outlook for Windows desktop app. Open Outlook and click File in the top left. Select Options, then click Mail in the left sidebar. In the main area, click the Stationery and Fonts button. You'll land on the Personal Stationery tab. Here, you can tune different scenarios. Click Font under New Mail Messages to set the default look for every new email you compose. Then click Font under Replying or Forwarding Messages to choose a separate style for replies and forwards if you want them to be distinct. In each font window, pick your preferred font family, style, size, and color under Font Color. Then confirm. When you are done, click OK and keep clicking OK to close each window and save everything. A few tips to keep in mind as you choose your defaults. Consistency helps your messages look professional. So select a font that's easy to read across devices. Stick with common fonts and accessible color choices to ensure recipients can view your messages clearly, whether they're in light mode or dark mode. Also, these settings affect how your emails look when you compose and how they're sent in HTML format. Recipients' mail apps may render fonts differently if they don't support a particular typeface. So standard options generally work best. And that's it. Thanks for watching.